If you want to buy any industrial product, the first thing you need is the supplier's contact details. Their mobile number to call, their WhatsApp number to chat, or their email ID to send an inquiry. But how do you find them? Right now, most people browse Google, visiting multiple websites. Am I right? Let's take an example. If you want to buy an Omron proximity sensor, just type Omron proximity sensors on Google and search. You can see multiple supplier websites. You need to open them one by one and find their contact details to contact them and get a quote for your Omron requirements. Let's open and check the contact details. First, let's visit the Omron manufacturer's website and see if we can find their contact details. Unfortunately, we are not able to find their contact details. Next, let's open another website. Again, it's the Omron manufacturer's website. It's still loading, so let's check another website from the Google list. Once again, it's the Omron manufacturer's website. Let's see if we can find their contact details. Unfortunately, we are not able to find their contact details. Next, let's open another website. Here, you can find a mobile number to contact the supplier, and they have also provided a request callback option. You can request a quote. If you get a quote from them, then that's fine. If you're satisfied with one quote, great. But if you want another quote, let's open another website to contact a different supplier. Again, it's the Omron website. Let's check if we can find their contact details. Unfortunately, we are not able to find their contact details. Now, let's open another website. Here, you can find a landline number. Let's check the Contact Us page. Here, you can find their contact details, and you can request for quote. So, as you can see, you need to check every page carefully and patiently. Go through multiple websites one by one to find supplier contact details. Do you realize how much time you're spending just to find and contact the right suppliers? To save your time effectively, IndMall is building a platform that lists all industrial suppliers in one place. It connects buyers and vendors seamlessly. Just click on the sellers list and you'll find all industrial suppliers. Here, you can select the brand you need. Now, you are on the Omron suppliers list page, where you can easily contact vendors. The first time you use IndMall, just enter your name, company name, phone number, and email, one time only. After that, every time you connect with a vendor, your details autofill automatically. No need to type them again. Mention your requirement and click Connect to Vendor. You can instantly connect with the vendor through WhatsApp to get an immediate reply. You'll be redirected to WhatsApp. Just click OK, and from there, you can contact the vendor directly and start communicating. Or, if you prefer, you can request a callback and the vendor will get back to you soon. Now, you can contact multiple vendors instantly. Just refresh the page and you'll see the autofill function in every vendor's contact form. Your details are automatically filled in. If you need to change any contact details, you can easily update them. However, for each vendor, you must manually enter your requirement before sending. I hope this makes your work much simpler and more efficient. After a few days, today, you want to buy a Delta product. You visit the IndMall website, go to the sellers list and select Delta. Here, you can find multiple vendors. Just click Connect to Vendor. No need to update your details, as they are already auto-filled. Simply enter your requirement, then connect instantly via WhatsApp or request a callback from the vendor. Start using the IndMall platform today and experience hassle-free vendor connections. We value your feedback. Share your thoughts to help us improve and connect more buyers and vendors effortlessly.